Hello, thank you very much for the invitation to this Factory 4.0 event. It's a real pleasure for IFM to be present and to be able to speak about our solutions. As an introduction to myself, I'm responsible for sales and marketing of Industry 4.0 solutions at IFM Electronic, reporting to corporate in Germany. And for those who don't know who IFM is, we are a sensor company, so that's our core business, our core competence for the last 50 years. But we have broadened our product range with a lot of additional things like vision cameras, like identification and track and trace solutions, but also in the field of machine monitoring and process improvement, software solutions and hardware combined together. So what I presented this morning is basically all the software and hardware solutions to collect data at the machine level, and then to bring this data into a consistent solution in terms of visualization, messaging, alerting, analysis, and provide easy and simple tools for maintenance managers, utilities managers, quality control and energy consumption monitoring at the plant level. We have a kind of plug-and-play solution to collect data from our equipment, IO-Link masters or vibration electronics, for instance. But we also have a software solution called Line Recorder Agent with a lot of connectors that allows us to collect data from PLCs, from robots, from electricity measurement workstations, from databases and so on. So this is a set of 65 plus connectors, and this is very important because most of the time our customers they have legacy equipment, very old equipment, sometimes 20 years old, and this is necessary to have a variety of data sources to get access to the right data for the machine monitoring. So this is very typical from where we start with customers. Usually we start with a small POC, a proof of concept, and this can be done on a laptop, or this can be done on a physical appliance, which is a small IPC. But then the question comes, how can I expand it to the whole factory? Or even more, to several factories. And this is an easy solution because this software can be also installed on virtual machines, whether it is Windows machines or it can be also virtual appliances. And in this case, we provide a solution to customers to scale up with the help of the IT department of the customer, of course, but to scale up the solution. And this is just to finish, sorry. This is depending on the number of data sources that you want to collect. So it can be as low as a few tens of hundreds of data sources to several 10,000 or more data sources. What I presented is what we call the Smart Limit Watcher, which is one tool of the data science toolbox. So this is dedicated for the process monitoring of equipment to predict what should be the behavior of the process and to compare it with the actual measured process. So this is a simple tool. And in the future, we will also have in this toolbox pattern monitor solutions and also a nice tool which is for the prediction of the remaining lifetime of equipment. So the whole solution is today based on on-premise installation, and we have a one-time license fee that we ask. So this is depending on the number of data points or data sources. So the more data sources you have, the more expensive the solution will be, but the cheaper it will be per data points. So this is the model that we have today, and in the future we will move to a different model, especially with Moneo Cloud. We will move to a cloud pricing model, which will be based on a subscription fee, so like monthly or yearly subscription fee. And we will even have, we are thinking of hybrid models, where, for instance, the Edge software will be a one-time license fee, and the cloud computing will be based on a subscription fee. So that will be very different from what we have today.